Hello, welcome back to Pattaya Beach, and as promised on our last video, on this video we will walk along Pattaya Beach and show you everything from the beginning right to the end. So let's turn left, thank you, and we will start our journey. As you see at the beginning, it's very quiet. The hotel and no one at the beach except for this woman just in front. We'll have to have a look at the sand and some fine shells, a very fine sand. It's quite hot too, and stuck between the holes of my sandals. And the boat's moored up. Where they just knock the poles into the sand, and then put some rocks on top of them, and they're secure. Easy as that. So we walk along and we find ourselves at the beginning, very quiet. As I said, it's usually where the sun loungers are. In busy times it will be super busy, but this time of year there's not a lot here. It's just quiet, but very relaxing. The temperature's still good, and you cannot complain. Here we go, the first of the sun lounges. We've moved on a little bit further in, just got Beach Road up there with all the hotels, always accompany the sun lounges at the front. There's the Andaman Sea. That's where we just walked along this little bit at the beginning, and more to go yet. Oh, still quite a long way to go yet, but it's a beautiful day. The sky is blue, some white cloud, sunshine, making it a very hot day without being super hot. Yes, we have the palm trees, the beautiful scenery, and just feel very honoured to be walking along, showing you like this. Definitely. Oh yes, you can rent the mats too. You just go to the sun lounges, they have mats you can rent out. You can lay on the beach, soak the sun up all day if you wish. Oh, and as you can see, you have the floating devices on the water, and I think they're there to stop jet skis from coming in, to making it a safe place for the family to go into the water and play around in. It's definitely not there to keep out great white sharks and stuff like that. No, just to keep them safe and secure. So it's good to know you can have that. There we are. It's just nice that it's not totally packed out with people, as I said earlier. It's so good. And here is the wonderful boat that Thailand love to give some fantastic names to. This particular boat is called Super Pong. Now, why do you think he called it that? I have my own opinion, but I'll keep it to myself. Maybe a clue, something to do with Superman. And there, just how beautiful it is to look all the way across. And talking about city names or unusual names, here's another one. Come to the beach bar, and it's called, well, you can see what it's called. That's two names in a very short distance. Yes, welcome to Thailand. here we are, all the sun lounges on my left, the beautiful Andaman Sea on my right, and the beautiful Pattaya beach sand under my feet. This is all the distance we've gone so far, so we have travelled quite a way along now, but still we're nearly halfway there, I think. We still have Central and the Hilton Hotel in front of us still to go. The sand loves to move beneath your feet, and someone left the bottle there too. It's just very beautiful. I keep saying that, but it's true. If you was actually to be here, you would find out how nice it really is, how much of a pleasure it really is to walk along. Wow, it's the Hard Rock Cafe. Oh, inside here you can go and get yourself some beer, some alcohol, you can get yourself some food, and they have a very nice shop in there too, where they have all the branded items of Hard Rock Cafe on there, like t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. You can even buy the glasses you drink from in there. It's a beautiful shop to go in there. One day you should go in there. Yes, up there is the Central Festival. And here we are, a little bit further along again with floating devices. Another area for you to safely swim in. And we have gone quite a way now, yeah. Still quite a way to go, but we're getting there. And there, as you can see, I count this somewhere as the halfway mark, the lovely Central Festival, where I will go to get my lunch because I'm very hungry, and they have a nice selection of food in there to go to eat. So if you're ever here, go into Central, look around the food area. There's vast choice of food. Different countries, Thai food. I particularly enjoy the Greek food inside there. You have Greek wraps. Oh, there's many choices to go in there. So if you like Greek food, that's a great place to go in and eat. You have some Hong Kong noodles. That's also quite delicious. And all the Thai food. Again, different ones I've tried, and again, all delicious as well. So no complaints. All this talking about food is making me too hungry. Yes, if you look around a little bit further along to where we've gone, and that's a huge distance we've travelled so far. And I'll let you spin around and let you view. So I'll let you enjoy a little bit of the view without me talking. So enjoy. Now you can see the famous Pattaya city sign. So that really tells us now we are near the end of our walking journey along Pattaya beach. Just to get to the wall in front of us. And it's been so wonderful to walk along and enjoy. From one end of a stone barrier to the other end of the concrete wall. Yes, we walk along and we're nearly there at the end. Get to it, put my hand up, touch the wall. Hooray, we finished. Okay, we finished it all. I hope you can hear me. I come a bit closer. We finished it all from the hotel to the beginning of Juicy Tanny Hotel was 2,165, if I remember. I know it was at the back of Juicy Tanny Hotel. 2,165 steps from the hotel to there. To start from there, the other end of the beach, we started 2,165 by my glorious watch. We was now at 6,400 and... oh god, I forget. Hold on. Okay, I had to check it again. Is it 2,165? We ended at 6,640. We should make it 2,165 take away from 6,640. Make it 4,475. If I'm right, tell me if I'm wrong. But it should be the end of that wall, stone wall, to the end of the new brickwork they have here. 4,475. It's over there and it goes into Valley High Pier and stuff like that. Anyway, as I said, I'm very hungry and I'm going to go to Central and get myself some food. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Well, as we rush away from this video, I hope you truly enjoyed it. And until our next installment, it's a cheerful farewell and goodbye from Tuk Tuk Pete channel.